There are a lot of Italian craft breweries, like top notch, here at the fair. So we met a lot of them, exchanged business cards, and of course business will follow after. I think it's a great opportunity to meet Italian craft breweries. I think it's good that all maybe it's a little bit smaller, which is again it's a good thing. So you have time to go to really the Italian craft breweries, to talk with them. I think it's more cozy, so it's easier to have a talk with the brewers and to see to come to business basically.
We're looking for good Italian craft beer, independent, and we find a lot of them. The people and the beer is really nice. It's really fine, and we are very happy being here and knowing a lot of interesting projects from last year to this year. I think that has grown up. There are a lot more exhibitions. There are a lot more companies. I think it's growing up and it's nice. So I think the Italian craft beer movement and Rimini beer attraction is getting really good, and we are enjoying a lot.